What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at the new Samsung Galaxy A52s. I don't know much about phones, but I got told this is the newest one from the A52s. You know, they got the A52 normal, the 128 gig and the 256 gig, and they told me to get this one because the 256 gig wasn't in stock, so I got this one. It's the A52s and it's 128 gig. So yeah, they told me to get this one because I didn't just want to wait any longer, but they told me it was good, so I was like, yeah, let me get that one. So this is the box, you know, pretty simple. Yeah, and it's 5G as well. Not wasting any time, let's just open this baby. Here's the phone, pretty big compared to the, oh hello there. But yeah, this is the phone. You can see me filming. Hello guys. And yeah, it's pretty big actually. Yeah, compared to my hand, almost as big as my hand. But let's take it out, and you can see the cables. I mean the cable, the adapter, very nice. Don't know if I should say quite thin. The one thing I like about phones is that they don't have like extra wasted space down here for the buttons or anything. It's just the screen, you know. On the back you see it's like that. Pretty nice, pretty good. Hello again. And yeah, we'll continue reviewing this phone once I get it charged. So now we should wait for it to charge, and then we're gonna continue the video. Okay, so it was actually half full and it opened this screen. Now we're gonna start. Oh yeah, SIM card. Well, we're gonna do that later. So we're gonna choose Slovene. Okay. So it's gonna probably do some downloading now. So it says restart. And it's gonna restart now. Now it says that it's starting Android system. We're not gonna do that because I want it fresh. We're gonna skip Gmail for now. Okay. Yep. We're gonna accept that. So we're gonna do Google, nothing else. Okay, 92, 100. Okay, this is good. So we're gonna skip this for now because I don't really know. Samsung Cloud, Bixby. Okay. I'm gonna sign in. I'm gonna actually make an account to actually use Bixby and Spotify and this stuff on the phone, so I don't have to download it, which is very nice actually if you ask me. So it says you're ready. Let's see, finish. And there we go. It opens up, pretty simple. As much as I've been told, and as much as I know, it should be a very good phone. So if you're looking to have a very good phone, the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G is definitely a good choice for you if you want to go for a good phone on a budget. We're just gonna end this video and say this is a very good phone. I'm going to leave the specifics of this phone in the description so you can check it out. And yeah guys, See you guys in the next video.